For my assignment 8, we're supposed to implement our previous program of our OSN and making it into a GUI or a GUI, however you would call it. And by that we have to, I'm using Java Swing instead of Java FX because I just found that Swing was more easier to implement, like the panels, the frames, the labels, the text field, and everything. So right here I have all my objects, and I put it here before the main method so the scope is larger, and so I don't have to keep repeating JFrame, JLabel, JPanel into the code over here. So in my main I have a panel which opens a frame that introduces the whole OSN, and I named it Twidder. And from here I created labels for the username and the password, and then I also created text fields for each, and I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. And then I also implemented some buttons that say login and register for it can take you to the next screen of the program. And for all these buttons to work, or for it to do something, you have to implement and override a method called action performed, and then the variable is E for action event, because if you don't do this, then none of your buttons or none of it would work. That's just how Java Swing says to do it. But over here I have some more methods for signing in, and then another class. So when you click the register button, these are all the inputs that you have to put in to create an account. So right here, a frame, it says register, and it has a label that says please enter the following, and then it has a lot of different fields and bounds for when it opens, so it can be placed directly according to the X and Y on the GUI. So I just have a first name, last name, age, gender, and then to create your username and to create a password, and then another button that says enter, and then I have another method for menu options, and the menu options gives you stuff to view a feed, find friends, create a post, create a page, and view a profile, or to log off. And I can just run it just to show you what it should begin to look like. And then for my final, I'll show you how it runs.